Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to download the source code of any web page inside a Python script using the wget package. Wget is actually a very handy package by which you can actually request the source code of any web page. And the command is simple. First of all, you just need to install this package, pip install wget. I've already installed it. Simply execute this command to install this package, and then I've just written the simple script here. You can see it is downloading this article from this website. It's This is actually you can take any website, for example. So this is actually a web page here. So it will simply download this inside the your local hard disk. If I run this Python script here, you will see that it will save this whole HTML web page to this location. So inside pages, it will create this pages directory. You will see it will download this HTML source code, and it will store it locally. So now we can start this. So if I start this, you will see it will run this localhost 3000. So now we are running it inside offline without internet connection. So if you want to download any web page locally inside your machine using the Python script, then for that you can actually use this package wget. So it's very simple. You first of all require this package wget, and then you specify whichever URL that you want to download. Or let's suppose I take my own website, for example. I take this web page, for example. I copy the URL, simply paste it, and then I just give it a file name, and I simply say wget dot. It contains this download function which actually fetches the web page from this URL, and we pass the URL, and then we mention the second argument where to store it. So inside this we specify the location where we need to store it. So here we'll be simply be mentioning it where to create this. So let me give it a file name, freemediatools HTML, and then we can print out a simple statement to the user that it's successfully saved. So now if you run this Python script inside the terminal, just you will see it's saved. If I check it now, you will see it will create a new file, freemediatools.html. It actually downloaded that full source code of that specific HTML page that we pasted. If you see that, so we can now run this web page locally. You will see localhost 3000. So we are running it locally. So in this way, you can download any web page source code inside your local machine. You just need to copy the URL and then paste it inside the script. So this module, which is wget module, is a very handy module by which you can first of all import that. You specify which URL that you want to download, then it contains this download function which fetches the web page source code. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.